Hello everyone, myself Divyanshi from Gladwin Group. Gladwin Group of companies are engaged in the manufacturing, research and development of the ultra-modern technological products like interactive flat panels, video conferencing solutions, digital podiums and so on. So the product you are seeing here is a K-type kiosk. As you can see on the screen, I'll zoom out my camera and I'll show you the screen properly. Now you can see this is a K-type kiosk. Now I'll explain the features one by one of this kiosk. Now you can see the browser is there. First of all, the browser is same which we use in our phones. You can perform various functions from this browser. Like suppose if I want to play some YouTube video. So I'll go on the browser. I can search also and I will type YouTube. Even you can install the application as well. It depends upon you from how you want to play the video. Now I have played the YouTube now and I can play any video on my screen. So I'll show you. This is my video. There are two speakers inbuilt in this kiosk, 10 watts each. From here I can increase my volume. In this way I can increase and decrease my volume. In this way I can have my full screen, and if I want to take the screenshot, I'll click over here and I can have the screenshot of my screen. So this was my YouTube, and now if you want to see some file or folder, file manager is there. From file manager you can see your pen drive, you can see the data of your kiosk. Now there is a USB port which is available at the back side of the kiosk, in which you can insert the pen drive and you can showcase the data on this screen. The size of this screen is 49 inches, and now we'll talk about the configuration of this kiosk. Now it's having Android 7.0 version, as you can see on the screen, Android 7.0 version, and the storage is 2 GB RAM and with 8 GB internal storage. So you can see the configuration on this screen. And next you are having a gallery. If you have certain photographs, right now I'm having a catalog in my gallery. So what can I do is I'm having the images of my catalog, and I'll start from here, the Gladwin group. I can start from here, and if I want a slideshow, like I want the pictures to be automatically run on this kiosk, so I'll click over here, I'll click on this slideshow, and now you can see all the pictures will be run automatically on this kiosk. So in this way, on this way you can set the slideshow of your pictures, and rest of the applications are same, like you can record the sound by using the external microphones. You can see the settings from where you can customize the settings of your kiosk. There is a notification bar if you want to connect to Wi-Fi, if you want to connect to anything. From here you can increase and decrease the brightness of the kiosk, and here you can see several applications. Even you can use a camera also. You can see I have attached a webcam over here through USB. So you can see over here. Now I'll click on the applications, I'll click on the camera, and it will start capturing the things. Like this is my webcam, I have attached it through USB. So in this way you can attach any external device with this kiosk via USB. So this was all about the K-type kiosk. If you have any queries or any doubt related to this, you can post in the comment section and we'll work out and we'll try to answer each and every query of yours.